Volvo services a motor EDGEvantage. Lim was experiencing some glitch while driving his Volvo XC90 and was thinking of getting his car serviced. But he was concerned about the quality of service he would get at the local workshops, so he called his friend Terence to suggest any reliable car servicing workshop to take care of his Volvo. Terence informs him that Motor EDGEvantage is a renowned workshop for servicing and repairing of Volvo cars in Singapore. Lim immediately locates Motor EDGEvantage at Sin Ming Auto City building and schedules a servicing appointment at Motor EDGEvantage. On his visit to Motor EDGEvantage, he meets Kin, who is a Volvo trained technician. Kin informs Lim that Motor EDGEvantage has a rich experience of 65 combined years in service, repair and customization of the entire range of Volvo cars, including newer models manufactured after 2014. He also ensures Lim that the in-house Volvo specialist technicians diagnose faults at the first time, using proper diagnostic tools, pinpointing the exact cause of trouble. Motor EDGEvantage uses only Volvo-approved parts to provide optimal performance, safety and comfort, thereby protecting the Volvo's drivability. Lim was pleased to learn that Motor EDGEvantage technicians adhere to updated industry guidelines and had a good grasp of the latest technology. Kin tells Lim that scheduled maintenance of his Volvo is essential to keep the car in good standing. Lim is happy to find the perfect workshop for his Volvo and takes a pledge to send his car for periodic maintenance only to Motor EDGEvantage. Motor EDGEvantage, your credible dealer alternative Volvo workshop. Thank you. Feel free to call us now.